Okay, it's the blizzard of 2016, but Sam doesn't know it yet. So she wants to go out and go potty. Let's just see what happens. You want to go outside, Sammy? Oh, it's all white. Oh gosh. What is that, Sam? It's pretty blizzardy here. What's going on, Sam? Okay, let's take a little sneak peek at the hood. So now I know what drifting snow means. That's pretty fun. I think Sam likes it. What do you think, Sam? Are you having fun? Notice I am blizzard ready with the Bogs boots. That's right, they keep your toes warm. I think to -20. Hey, get back out here. Come on, Sam. Let's go outside. Come on, Sam. Oh, we got some ambitious people with snow blowers. Honestly, coolest thing ever. Look at my rockers. You can tell how deep it is now. And my windows, they're covered. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sammy. Come on, Sam. Hey, Sam, what's on your nose? Come on, Sam. Get out here. You don't want to come out? Okay, I guess maybe we'll try the back patio. Well, come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Sam. You can do it. Come on. Get over here. You can do it. Come on, Sammy. You've got snow in your eyes. Come on, Sam. Well, we'll try it another time.